A court has ruled in favor of Houston County Deputy Anna Lang and her discrimination claims. In 2019, Lang filed a federal lawsuit alleging her employer, the Houston County Sheriff's Office, refused to pay for gender reassignment surgery. Now a judge says they should. Kalisha Moore joins us in studio to explain the ruling.
Anna Lang told 13 WMAZ in 2019 she was only looking for fair and equal treatment. Now, almost 4 years later, a federal court has agreed. They said Houston County was denying her equal protection under the law. I spoke with Lang's attorney about the importance of the lawsuit and what happens next.
I just want to be treated fairly and equally and earn the same benefits as my coworkers.
That was Anna Lang, a transgender woman and Houston County deputy, speaking to us in 2019. Nearly 4 years after she filed a federal discrimination lawsuit, a judge ruled in her favor.
The most important thing to know is that there's a federal law that prohibits sex discrimination in employment. And the court's decision makes clear that depriving transgender people of healthcare coverage because they are transgender in an employer health plan violates that law.
Her attorney, David Brown, says 4 years ago, Lang spoke to her boss, Sheriff Cullen Towton. She tried to explain her transition and to ask the county to cover her gender-confirming surgery.
She sought coverage for it from her employee health plan that Houston County provided, and she was denied that coverage, even though the county would provide coverage for all her colleagues' medically necessary care of the same kind, and she would have gotten it but for the fact that she was transgender.
Court records say Lang's doctor said the surgery was medically necessary, and her lawyer estimates it would cost around $26,000. But Brown says the county spent many times more than that fighting the case.
They elected instead to defend this lawsuit, and as of, I think, 6 months ago, they had racked up about $700,000 in legal bills, and surely it's more today.
Federal Judge Mark Treadwell ruled that Houston County violated Title VII, which guarantees equal protection under the law. The judge will order Houston to not discriminate against Lang or any other trans employees. Brown says Lang will receive compensation from the county. The amount has not been set. Lord, back to you.
Thank you, Kalisha. Some parts of Lang's case must still be decided in local court. Lang still works for the Houston County Sheriff's Office and has for the past 16 years.